I show 10 fingers. Sorry, 9 years old. 9 years old. And I'm the co-founder of 10xkids.com. And if you like this video, don't like to smash that like button. Share this video. Comment down below if you like it. And subscribe my channel, my brother's channel. And you just can't forget the marvelous, the one and only 10 Kids channel. So today we're gonna do the C++ break and the continue statement. So without any delay, let's get started. Yeah. Okay. I'll minimize my screen. Good afternoon. And here is C++ break and continue. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, so the C++ break and continue. So let's learn about the C++ break statement first. You have already seen the break statement in an earlier chapter of the tutorial. It was to jump out of a switch statement. The break statement can also be used to jump out of a loop. This example jumps out of the loop when I is equals to 4. So it's saying that we have seen the break statement used a lot of times in the before chapters, right? And we know that in the from this break statement, it breaks. It just whatever is going on, it will just stop. It will just come out of the loop, right? So we have learned that, but this is saying that break statement is not only to just stop, it's to jump out of from the loop also, right? So here is an example. Now this example jumps out of the loop when I is equals to 4. Let's see the example. Okay, so for int I equals to 0. So first statement for loop we just did. First statement, the variable statement I equals to 0. We are making a variable I and assigning it the value 0. Then we are doing I less than 10. Yeah, 0 is less than 10. And it sees an if statement I equals to 4. No, so it will come here, see out I. So it prints 0. Then now, and it increases its value from 0 plus 1, 1, right? Now 1 is less than 10, right? But 1 is not equals to 4. So it comes here and it will print 1 and increase the value and make it 2. Now 2 is less than 10, but 2 is 1, so it is not equals to 4. So it prints 2 and then it makes the value 3, and 3 is less than 10, but 3 is not equals to 4. So it prints 3 and makes the value 4. Now I less than 10, yeah, 4 is less than 10. But it's now the if statement says I equals to 4. Now 4 is equals to 4. Yeah, this condition is true. So it comes in and it sees break. So now over here, it will come out of the loop. It will stop the loop. It will just completely stop the loop and it will come out of it. So we get the output 0, 1, 2, 3. Not 4 because here we are coming out when I is equals to 4. We are not first printing it. We are just coming out. That's why 0, 1, 2, 3 is coming. Yep. Okay. Now is the current new statement. Oops. Yeah. So now here is the continue statement. The continue statement breaks one iteration in the loop. It is specified condition occurs and continues with the next iteration in the loop. Now, whatever this is saying, I just don't know how to explain it in words. Right. So let's just learn it from the example. Let's just understand it. Okay, from the example. So here we see that we are making the variable I and assigning it the value 0. I less than 10. True. It says if I equal to 4. No, this is false. So it will print 0 false. Then it increases the value and makes it 1. Now 1 is less than 10, but it's not equal to 4 and it's not equal to 4. So it prints 1. Now and make the value 2. I value 2. Now 2 is less than 10. Yeah, but a 2 is not equal to 4. So it prints 2. 2. Now and make the value 3. Now 3 is make the value 3. Now 3 is less than 10. So this if I equal to 4, once again this is false. So it will not go inside the statement and it will print 3 and make the value 4. Then 4 is less than 10, right? Now we see if I equal to 4. So I is equal to 4, right? So it goes inside the if statement and it says continue. Now what the continue statement does is the continue statement does not go forward again. It does not go um, down and check all and print it. The continue statement, wherever it sees the continue statement, that point of time it won't go down, it won't continue, it would just start it over, right? So now it has not printed 4, right? So it didn't go down, it did not print 4 because it got the continue statement. Now 5 is less than 10 and this condition is false. I equal to 4, so it prints I, and so on. It prints 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So you basically understood what does the continuous statement do? I'll tell you again in short. So the continuous statement does is that the continuous statement, whenever it gets the continuous statement, it would not go on. It won't come out of the loop, but it won't go on. It would just go back again, up. So it won't come to that C out I only. So it won't print 4, then it would keep on printing the other numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Understand? Now break and continue statement in while loop. It's showing how will we use the break and continue statement in the while loop. You can also use the break and the continue statement in while loop. We know that we can use them in the for loop, but it's saying that not only in for loops, we can also use them in while loops. And it's showing us an example. Now this is the break statement example. Let's see. So we are making a variable I, assigning it the value 0. We are doing while I less than 10. So 0 is less than 10. So it prints 0 and increases the value now 1 and sees if I equals to 4. So 1 is not equals to 4. So it goes up and 1 is less than 10 and it prints 1 and makes the value 2 and 2 is not equal to 4. So now it had increased the value to 3 here. Now 3 is less than 10, right? 3 is less than 10, so it will print 3 and make the value 4. Now when it says if I equals to 4, now 4 is equal to 4, so it gets the break statement. So here in the while loop here, so it will come out of the while loop. So it will stop the while loop. So basically this shows us that not only in for loops we can use the break statement, we can also use the break statement in a while loop. Okay, let's just give you a continue and let's see if it shows the correct, if it is a correct example which it opens. Let's see. I just wrote here continue instead of break and it came to the correct example. I thought this would be the uh, wrong thing, right? So wow, okay. So now let's see how we will put the continuous. How will it work? How will the continuous statement work in the while loop? So I is equals to 0, right? So now it's assigned i's value to 0. 0 is less than 10, but 0 is not equal to 4, right? So it's so it then says I plus plus, so it makes the value to 1 and it continue. No way. Oops, sorry. Mm, my bad. Okay, so let's do this example again. So int I is equals to 0. We are making the variable i's value 0. Then we are doing while I less than 10. So this is true. If I equals to 4. So this statement is false. So it won't go in this if statement. And it would print 0 and increase the value to 1. Right. Now 1 is less than 10. So 1 is not equals to 4. So it prints 1 and makes the value 2 and then make and so on. Now when we add here and the value becomes 4, right? Then 4 is less than 10 and now we see if I equals to 4. So yeah, this is true. So it goes inside and makes the value 5. Make the value 5 and continues. So basically we understood what it does. It it mm, mm, it's here 4 and it makes the value 5 and it continues. It does not go here. It won't see the cout statement, so it won't print 4, but we increase the value in the if statement only. So now it's 5. Now 5 is less than 10. So it will now then go on 5, 6, 7, and 9. So basically this also shows that we are using a while loop. We are using the while loop, and inside the while loop, how can we use the continue statement? Okay, so now it's time for the exercises, my favorite part. Oh yeah. Let's see the first statement. Exercise. Stop the loop if I is 5. Okay, so remember to come out of the loop, the, to stop the loop, to stop the code. What was the keyword statement? Yes, it was the break statement. Okay, now it is, come on, enter. Yeah, in the following loop, when the value is 4, jump directly to the next value. So, when the value is 4, jump directly to the next value. So, what does this mean is that, so remember the continue statement, now here is the continue statement correct. But why? Why is it the continue statement? Right, the continue statement we will put here because because continuous statement does the same what's written. what's written. The continuous statement does not go on. It just goes up. It just directly jumps to the next value. So that's why it's the continuous statement, because this is what the continuous statement does, guys, right? And guys, we are done with the exercises of C++ break and continue. And guys, I really hope you liked the video. If you did, smash that like button, share this video, comment it down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel, my brother's channel, and the marvelous 10x Cora Kids channel. Bye guys, see you soon. Damn! 3, 2, 1, snap.